My pet and me.
Can Tommy say anything?
No.
If Tommy could say anything, what would he say?
I love you.
Oh, that's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
If Tommy could do anything, what do you think he'd do?
If my budgies could do anything, they could be in a rock band. Tommy would play on the drums. Then I would play the trumpet. Mama and Charlie would play the guitars. They would come up with brilliant songs and would be world famous.
Find out when we add new clips and build a playlist especially for your child by subscribing for free to the CBeebies YouTube channel.